Alright, what we got here today is this Brinks 527 series solid body padlock. It's a 6-pin lock. Here's the key. It has fairly even bitting, I'd say. Uh, Now, from what it feels like, this lock has serrated and spool serrated hybrid driver pins. But after we pick this, we're going to take it apart and know for sure. But anyway, I have to admit this probably has to be one of the most difficult locks I've ever picked. But anyway, what we're going to be using to pick this today is a HPC short hook, which is quickly becoming one of my favorites, and a twist flex tension wrench, a short one. Now, before I put the main one in, I'm just going to use this thin diameter one here to keep up fill up the space, because it has a pretty wide keyway, and if I just put the main one in by itself, it'll just slip and bind and we won't be picking anything. But anyway, let's get that seated in there nice and snugly. Okay, there we go, looks good. Now let's get going here. There we go, we got the fall set. Hope you heard that there. Now, I just get this last one here. Feels like a spool pin in the back between the I think it's the fourth one. Anyway, just you have to be really careful, or you'll mess it up and lose everything. But anyway, let's hope we can get this. All right, got it. There it is. Now let's gut it. Let's go over to my little workbench over here. You have to bear with me till I have to get a good camera angle. Let's see how we do this. Okay, let's see here. Nah, that's not gonna work. Sorry guys, it's kind of a pain. You don't have a camera stand, and you only have to work with this shitty webcam camera. Let's see how we get this adjusted here. Yeah, that's gonna have to do. Okay, let's. Okay. Okay, there we go. Right. Okay. Here's the core. I'm gonna lock it back up and open it up with the key. Okay. Wait, first let's get the little retainer off here in the back. that spun around. Here's a retainer. Let's get that off. Oh wait, it's already did come off. Now let's put the key in. Key turns. Let's get our follower. And let's try not to spill anything here. Alright. Just carefully turn it on its side. There we go. Now let's take a look at all the pins here. Let's move all this crap out of the way. Right. Okay, let's see the first driver pin. Let's look at that one. There it is. I'm sorry you can't see it that well. It's hold on just a minute here. There's on the first key pin you can see there's two little serrations on it. Excuse the crappy quality. Anyway, let's get the rest out. See what number 2 is. Same deal. Number 3. Same deal with those little serration. Number 4. Same deal. Has a little serration too. 2 little serrations. Number 5. Ooh, that's a tiny one, but it has 2 little serrations on it too. And the last one, 6th one, has 2 little serrations as well. All right, now let's look at the top pins now. Let's get my tweezers. Okay, let's hope we don't lose anything here. Okay. Adjust the camera. There we go. Right. Right. Let's see what the right let's see what the first pin is. Okay. Okay, the first pin here. Let's get those other tweezers out. Is a the spool, like I said before, like I predicted earlier. We can see that let's hold on here. A spool serrated hybrid. I don't know if you can see that too well. Right. Let's go into the second one here. Oops. The second one here is a full-on serrated. It's a full-on serrated driver. See if you can see that there. Right there. See it? Damn crappy camera. Really don't like this. Oh, let me just see if I can get a light on this situation here. Let's see maybe you can see him better. Oops. Let's see how that works out. Oops. See, that makes things a little bit better. Okay, no, it doesn't. If you look, you can just barely see the serration there. Hopefully, but anyway, let's continue on here. Oh boy, sucks to have such a crappy camera. Anyway, let's go on to the third pin. The third pin here. Let's see what we got there. Looks like we got another spool serrated driver pin there. Hope you can see that there. Try to focus up for you there for the third one. Now let's go on to the fourth one. Another spool serrated driver pin. See that there? Let's take a look. Right there. And let's go on to the last two. Oops, the camera actually focusing. Let's. Another spool serrated driver. Where'd it go? Let's see. Right there it went. Hope you can see that there. I'm gonna try to hold up. I'm gonna try to hold this up to the camera. Better put it in my hand. Let me see. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. See the top and bottom of it? You can barely make it out, but it's there. Now let's go on to the last one. And it too is a spool serrated driver. Hoping that there. Let me just show you them all there before I finish this up. Okay. Hope you can see it there. Let's focus. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in just here. Come on, camera, focus, focus. There we go. Wait, hold on just a minute. There we go. There's all the pins. As you can see here, we have the serrated, the spool serrated. Here's a spool serrated. A spool serrated. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spool serrated, and one. Oh yeah, and only one actual full-on serrated pin. Let's see. Let me focus. I got that a lot of focus here. Hold on just a minute. Yep. As I said before, we have five spool serrated hybrids, and oh fuck, freaking camera. There we go. I said it before. Okay, we have 5 spool serrated hybrid driver pins and only 1 full-on serrated pin. Okay, so that wraps us up. All right, comment, rate the video if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.